Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start with safety and system power. First, make sure you are on a steady road at highway speeds, typically above 30 mph and hands on wheel. Turn the ignition to on and press the main cruise button. The indicator should illuminate. Accelerate to your desired speed, then press SET or the SET/control to lock it. Once set, the system maintains throttle. You keep steering and monitor traffic. This immediately engages cruise, so you can proceed to refine control. Now you fine-tune how cruise behaves. Use RES/plus to increase speed in small steps and SET/ to decrease. Short taps change by small amounts, holding adjusts faster. If traffic requires, press the brake or clutch, or hit the cancel button to disengage immediately. To return to your last set speed, press RES. If your Ford Focus has adaptive cruise, adjust the following distance control to choose how far you trail the car ahead. This changes braking and throttle behavior automatically. To finish, cancel or press the main cruise button to switch it off. Braking also disengages but preserves the last speed for RES. If cruise fails to engage, verify you meet the minimum speed and look for ABS, traction, or engine warning lights. These can inhibit cruise control. Check the owner manual fuse location if electrical. For intermittent issues, cycle the ignition and try again. If warnings persist, have a dealer diagnose sensors or the module, because safety.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.